Peanut butter protein balls are so easy to make and no baking is involved. You can add different things to these protein balls like coconut or different kinds of nuts. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a large bowl, add all of your ingredients. This recipe is extremely customizable, so feel free to add in or remove any of these ingredients. You can use your favorite peanut butter, but the consistency may change. You can also add chia seeds, shredded or toasted coconut, or your favorite kinds of nuts to this recipe. Mix all of these ingredients until it sticks together. If you are finding that the ingredients are not sticking together, add in more honey or peanut butter a little bit at a time, since these ingredients helps hold everything together. If you like this recipe, you might also like my granola bars recipe, which will be linked in the video description below. Cover the bowl with saran wrap and place in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Once chilled, remove the bowl from the refrigerator and use a cookie scoop or your hands and form little balls. These are best kept in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, but can be stored at room temperature for up to 3 days. Thank you so much for watching this video. Come back next week to bake more good things.